Hello everyone, welcome back to Blender Express. In today's tutorial, we'll tackle a common rigging issue in Blender, when accessories don't follow the rig or bone after parenting. If you've ever encountered this problem, don't worry. I'll guide you through a step-by-step fix to ensure your accessories move correctly with your character. Let's get started. First, go to Object Mode, select your model, and switch to Edit Mode. Enable Phase Select Mode, then hover over the accessory and press L to select it. Once selected, press P and choose Separate by Selection to make it a new object. This will allow us to transfer weight data separately to ensure proper movement with the rig. Next, return to Object Mode and select the separated accessory. Go to the Modifier tab and add a Data Transfer modifier. Use the eyedropper tool to select the character mesh as the source. Check the Vertex data box and enable Vertex Group. Then click Generate Data Layers and apply the modifier. This step ensures that the accessory inherits the correct weight data from the character mesh. Now, let's test if the fix worked. Select the rig and enter Pose Mode. Click on the head bone and press R to rotate it. If everything was done correctly, the accessory should now move properly with the rig. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the parenting issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Blender tips. See you in the next video.